Great, you slept through your alarm clock, you can't find your keys, your hair's a mess, and you still have that never-ending list of repairs nagging you from its spot on the fridge as you run out the door. Nobody's got time for that. Luckily, the professionals from Roy's are here to save the day with this awesome deal. Get $79 off any heating, cooling, plumbing, or electrical repair. Our certified technicians will provide you with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So relax and let Roy's start knocking items off your to-do list. You deserve it. Give us a call today to find out more.